World War II didn't just end with peace treaties and parades. It left behind secrets buried in caves, jungles, and forgotten bunkers. From Nazi gold hidden deep underground to Japanese soldiers found decades later still fighting a war that was already over. These shocking discoveries changed how we see history forever. Number 1. Hidden Nazi treasure hoards. After the collapse of Nazi Germany in 1945, Allied soldiers, treasure hunters, and locals stumbled upon caches of stolen wealth. Gold bars, priceless art pieces like works from Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Michelangelo, and rare manuscripts were hidden in salt mines, caves, and castles. The Merkur salt mine in Germany, 1945, revealed nearly 100 tons of gold and countless stolen artworks. Even decades later, rumors of the Amber Room and Nazi gold trains buried in Poland still fascinate historians and treasure hunters. Number 2. Long-lost soldiers discovered years later. Some Japanese soldiers, following the Bushido Code, refused to surrender and hid in jungles for decades. Shoichi Yokoi was found in Guam in 1972. After surviving in the jungle for 28 years, Hiro Onoda was discovered in the Philippines in 1974, still in uniform, carrying out guerrilla tactics, unaware the war had ended. These discoveries shocked the world, symbolizing the deep psychological scars of the conflict. Number 3. Nuclear secrets and scientific breakthroughs. The end of World War II opened the door to classified research. German scientists' work on rocketry, jet engines, and nerve agents astonished the Allies. Under Operation Paperclip, the US secretly brought over 1,600 German scientists, including Wernher von Braun, which laid the foundation for NASA and the space race. Unexpected chemical discoveries also occurred. Nerve gases like sarin and medical treatments like penicillin's mass production advanced dramatically during and after the war. Number 4. Archaeological finds during Reconstruction. Bombing across Europe accidentally revealed hidden historical layers beneath cities. In London, the rebuilding after the Blitz uncovered Roman ruins, coins, and mosaics. In Germany and Italy, damaged buildings exposed medieval and even ancient foundations. War destruction ironically preserved and exposed parts of history that had been buried for centuries. Number 5. Secret Nazi technology bunkers. After 1945, Allied forces uncovered hidden research facilities, testing sites, and underground cities. In Poland and Germany, enormous tunnel systems like Project Risa were discovered. Vast underground complexes whose full purpose remains mysterious. Advanced jet fighters, Messerschmitt Me-262, stealth aircraft designs, and even early guided missiles shocked Allied engineers. Number 6. Sunken World War II wrecks and lost ships. Post-war surveys revealed hundreds of wrecked warships and submarines. The discovery of the Wilhelm Gustloff wreck highlighted one of history's worst maritime disasters. Over 9,000 civilians died when it sank in 1945. Even today, divers keep finding lost submarines and battleships, some with sealed compartments preserving relics of the time. Number 7. Hidden diaries and testimonies. Personal writings hidden during the war surfaced in the post-war years. The most famous is Anne Frank's diary, published in 1947, which gave a deeply human voice to the Holocaust. Other soldiers' journals, buried letters, and hidden recordings provided new insights into the war from ordinary people's perspectives. Number 8. Biological and medical surprises. Nazi medical experiments, though horrific, revealed new insights into hypothermia, high-altitude survival, and infectious diseases. The Allies recovered secret Japanese research on germ warfare from Unit 731, shocking the world with evidence of biological weapons testing on humans. Some findings, though ethically controversial, advanced medicine and military safety protocols. Number 9. Cultural and religious relics rediscovered. The chaos of war also led to accidental rediscoveries. The Dead Sea Scrolls, 1947, were found by Bedouin shepherds in caves near Qumran, considered one of the greatest archaeological finds of the 20th century. Priceless artifacts, stolen or displaced during the war, resurfaced in unexpected places, like private collections or hidden monasteries. Number 10. Unexpected human stories. Refugees uncovered new cultural connections, leading to the birth of modern art movements, literature, and global migration stories. Many Holocaust survivors revealed hidden identities decades later, including Jewish children raised in Christian homes. Entire family histories were rewritten after uncovering wartime secrets. Conclusion. The aftermath of World War II was not just about political treaties and rebuilding nations. It was also a time of astonishing discoveries. From hidden Nazi treasures and long-lost soldiers to archaeological finds, secret bunkers, and ancient manuscripts, the post-war years revealed stories that still shape history, science, and culture today. If you're fascinated by rare historical finds and untold stories, make sure to subscribe to Open History, hit the bell icon, and join us as we uncover the mysteries the world almost forgot. History isn't just in books, it's still being discovered today.